Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Aksar Education. Now in this video we are going to discuss types of sums in which we are given relationship between zeros and coefficient of polynomial and we have to find the value of unknown. Done? So question number 1 is given. So if alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial f of x equal to x square minus 5x plus k such that alpha minus beta equal to 1, then find the value of k. Find the value of k where k is unknown. So here we have to find the value of unknown k and the relationship between zeros of polynomial and coefficient is given. Done? So let's try to solve this question. So here we are given alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial. So using that information, alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial f of x equal to, given polynomial is x square minus 5x plus k. This is one quadratic polynomial, and for this quadratic polynomial two zeros are there, two possible zeros are there, and that zeros are alpha and beta. So alpha and beta are the zeros of this quadratic polynomial, and therefore we can write sum of zeros. Sum of zeros, we know the sum of zeros and product of zeros. Sum of 0 is alpha plus beta, which is given as minus b by a. Minus b by a, that is minus of coefficient of x. So minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x is minus 5. It's a minus of minus 5 upon coefficient of x square, which is nothing but the 1. So minus minus plus. Therefore we can write alpha plus beta equal to 5. Alpha plus beta equal to 5. Sum of zeros is 5. Also we can write product of zeros. Product of zeros is nothing but the alpha into beta. So what is product of zeros? It's a constant term upon coefficient of x square. Constant term is k. Constant term is k upon coefficient of x square, which is 1, this one. And therefore here we know alpha into beta, product of 0 is nothing but the k. Done? So two results are there, result number 1 and result number 2. One result is given, that is alpha minus beta is equal to 1. One result is given, and from this given question we have derived two more result. Done? So now by using these three results, alpha minus beta equal to 1, alpha plus beta equal to 5, and alpha into beta equal to k, we have to find the value of this unknown k. So now let's start with given. We are given, what we are given? Alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta equal to 1. This is given. Done? Now we have to use these two results, and for that we are squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, दोनों साइड स्क्वायर कर देंगे. So it will be alpha minus beta whole square, and this will be 1 square. Done? So what is expansion? It's a alpha square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta square equal to 1. Now here we have to use alpha plus beta because we are given alpha plus beta. So can we convert this expression alpha minus beta whole square into alpha plus beta? Yes. How? So here we can write this one as a alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Here minus 2 alpha beta is converted into plus 2 alpha beta. So again we have to subtract minus 4 alpha beta, that is equal to 1. है ना. जो चेंज किया था वो अल्टीमेटली माइनस टू अल्फा बीटा ही हो गया, प्लस टू अल्फा बीटा माइनस फोर अल्फा बीटा, दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस टू अल्फा बीटा. नाउ these three terms can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta equal to 1. So now we can use result number 1 and result number 2 over here. Alpha plus beta is 5 and alpha into beta is k. So ultimately we are getting the value of unknown k. Clear students? So from result 1 we can write alpha plus beta equal to 5. So it's a 5 square minus 4 into alpha beta, product of zeros, which is equal to k, equal to 1. So 5 square is 25 minus 1, so it's a 24 equal to, taking this minus 4k on the right hand side, it's a plus 4k, and therefore we are getting k equal to 24 by 4. Answer is 6. So our answer is k is equal to 6. Clear students? So this is how you can find the value of unknown when relationship between zeros of polynomial and coefficients of polynomial is given. Clear students? So now pause this video and note it down. Okay students, now question number 2. Here we are given the sum of zeros of quadratic polynomial f of t equal to kt square plus 2t plus 3k is equal to, sum of zeros is equal to its product. That means we are given sum of 0 is equal to product of zeros. Find the value of unknown k. Find the value of unknown k. Done? So now let's start with the given. Let's say zeros. So here quadratic polynomial is given, so maximum 2 zeros are there. So let's assume, let's say alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial f of t, zeros of polynomial f of t. So given polynomial f of t is kt square plus 2t plus 3k. Done? So given polynomial is in the form of variable t. Normally we are getting polynomial of variable x, but here we are given polynomial in terms of variable t. So product of zeros, we can write product of zeros. So what is product of zeros? Product of zeros is nothing but the alpha into beta. Product of zeros is nothing but the alpha into beta constant term, that is 3k upon coefficient of t square by k. Done? So here k will be cut. So product of zeros is 3. So product of zeros, alpha into beta is 3. Also we can write sum of zeros है ना. नॉर्मली सम ऑफ जीरोस को हम पहले लिखते हैं. सम ऑफ जीरोस अल्फा प्लस बीटा. व्हाट इज सम ऑफ जीरोस? इट्स अ रेशियो ऑफ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ टी अपॉन माइनस ऑफ 2 by k. Done? So here we are getting alpha plus beta equal to -2 by k. चलो हो गया क्वेश्चन. दिस इज रिजल्ट 1, दिस इज रिजल्ट 2. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गिवन? वी आर गिवन दैट द सम ऑफ zeros of quadratic polynomial is equal to product. So now given, now we are given that sum of zeros alpha plus beta equal to product of its zeros. Find the value of k. So alpha plus beta equal to -2 upon k equal to alpha into beta, which is equal to 3. and therefore our answer k is minus 2 by 3. K is minus 2 by 3. This is our answer. Clear students? So now pause this video and again note it down. Okay students, now question number 3. Here alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial f of x equal to 2x square plus 5x plus k, which satisfies this relation. So here find the value of k. So alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial f of x. So let's start with the given that alpha and beta are zeros of quadratic polynomial f of x. So given quadratic polynomial f of x is 2x square plus 5x plus k. This is given quadratic polynomial. So alpha and beta are the zeros. So now we can write sum of zeros and product of zeros, and therefore sum of zeros. So what is sum of zeros? It's a alpha plus beta. Sum of zeros is nothing but the minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So it's a minus of 5 by 2. That is alpha plus beta. Done? Alpha plus beta. Say this one as a result number 1. Now we can also write product of zeros. So product of zeros. So what is product of zeros? It's a alpha into beta. Product of zeros is equal to constant term upon coefficient of x square, that is equal to k by 2. So our alpha into beta is k by 2. Done? Say this one as a result number 2. So two results are there. One result is given and we have to find the value of k. Done? So now given, we will start with given alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta equal to 21 by 4. Now in this given we have to make the use of this alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So यहाँ पर हमें अल्फा प्लस बीटा होल स्क्वायर करना है, तो उसके लिए चाहिए अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस 2 अल्फा बीटा प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर, तभी जाके उसका फैक्टराइजेशन अल्फा प्लस बीटा होल स्क्वायर होगा. डन? तो यहाँ पर 2 अल्फा बीटा होना चाहिए, तो इसको हम मॉडिफाई करेंगे अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर प्लस 2 अल्फा बीटा. डन? और उसको एडजस्ट करेंगे. सो 2 अल्फा बीटा एक्चुअल वी आर गिवन alpha beta, so again we have to subtract 1 alpha beta, so this is equal to 21 by 4. Clear students? Clear है? 2 अल्फा बीटा को रिप्लेस किया 2 अल्फा बीटा माइनस अल्फा बीटा. ऐसा क्यों किया? बिकॉज नाउ हियर दिस टर्म इज नथिंग बट द अल्फा प्लस बीटा होल स्क्वायर. सो देयरफॉर दिस वन इज अल्फा प्लस बीटा whole square minus this one is alpha beta and that is equal to 21 by 4. ऐसा क्यों किया? क्योंकि अल्फा प्लस बीटा के लिए रिजल्ट 1 है, अल्फा इंटू बीटा प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस के लिए रिजल्ट 2 है. डन? सो पुट द वैल्यूज फ्रॉम रिजल्ट 1 एंड 2. अल्फा प्लस बीटा माइनस 5 by 2 होल स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा इंटू बीटा k by 2 इक्वल टू 21 by 4. Solve this equation 4k. माइनस 5 by 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 5 का स्क्वायर 25, 2 का स्क्वायर 4 माइनस इसको इस साइड लेंगे 21 by 4 इक्वल टू माइनस k by 2 को राइट हैंड साइड पर भेज देंगे. भेज दिया तो माइनस का प्लस. सो अगेन 4 इज द एलसीएम. 25 minus 21 it's a 4 by 4 that is equal to 1 and that is equal to k by 2, and therefore we can say k is equal to 2. है ना, सिंप्लीफिकेशन के बाद हमारा k आएगा 2. सो दिस इज अवर आंसर. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k. सो k इज 2. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड नोट इट डाउन. Okay students, now question number 4. So here again alpha and beta are the zeros of one quadratic polynomial f of x equal to kx square plus 4x plus 4. So we start with the given things. Here we are given that alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial f of x, quadratic polynomial f of x, where polynomial f of x is given as kx square plus 4x plus 4. This is given quadratic polynomial. We are given that alpha square plus beta square equal to 24. Find the value of k. So from this given polynomial we can write sum of zeros and product of zeros, that is alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So now sum of zeros is nothing but the alpha plus beta equal to coefficient of minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square k. Done. So our alpha plus beta is equal to minus 4 by k. Say result number 1. Same way we can write product of zeros is nothing but the alpha into beta, that is equal to constant term upon coefficient of x square. So it's a 4 by k. Done. So now we are having two results, 1 and 2. Clear है? Done. So now we have to find value of k, and for that we will use given. So we are given that alpha square plus beta square equal to 24, but here we have to use alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So this can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta equal to 24. Done. Alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, है ना, प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने देखा था. So what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus 4 by k. So it's a minus 4 by k whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta 4 by k equal to 24. Done. So now simplification, minus 4 square 16 upon k square minus 8 by k equal to 24. Done. So here we have to solve this equation by taking this k square as a LCM. It's a 16 minus 8k equal to 24k square. Multiply this equation with k square. So it's a 16 minus 8k equal to 24k square. Again we can take 8 as a common. So it's a 2 minus k equal to 3k square. Done. इस साइड ले लेते हैं. So therefore this one is 3k square taking all this term on the right hand side plus k minus 2 equal to 0. So this is one quadratic equation. So it can be solved by using splitting the middle term. 3 2s are 6, whose subtraction is 1. So it's again 3 2s are 6. So splitting the middle term as a 3k square plus k can be written as 3k minus 2k minus 2 equal to 0. Now factorization by grouping. So here from the first group we can take 3k as a common, so it's a k plus 1. Now here we can take minus 2 as a common, so it's a k plus 1 equal to 0. So again we can take k plus 1 as a common, so k plus 1 is common term, remaining terms are 3k minus 2, 3k minus 2 equal to 0. So again product of two factor is 0, so we can say k is either 1 or k is either 2 by 3. So two possible values of k are there, k is minus 1 or k is equal to 2 by 3. Clear students? So now pause this video and note it down. ये सीक्वेंस में जाना है, इधर से इधर, इधर से इधर और इधर से उधर. Okay students, last question, question number 5. If the sum of the sum of squares of 0 of quadratic polynomial is 40, find the value of unknown k. Done? So here we are given one quadratic polynomial. The sum of square of zeros is 40, find the value of k. So let's assume, let's say alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial, f of x, zeros of polynomial f of x equal to given x square minus 8x plus k. Alpha and beta are the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. So when alpha and beta are given, we can write sum of zeros, alpha plus beta, sum of zeros minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square is 1. So here alpha plus beta is equal to 8, alpha plus beta is equal to 1. And also we can write product of zeros, students. Product of zeros क्या होगा? Alpha into beta. Product of zeros is alpha into beta, and that is equal to c by a, constant term, upon coefficient of x square. So it's a k upon 1. In short, alpha into beta is equal to k. दो results derive कर लिए. Done. Say this one as a 1 number, this one as a 2 number. So now we'll start with given. What we are given? Given sum of square of zeros is equal to 40. So we are given that sum of square of zeros of quadratic polynomial is 40. So square of zeros, sum of square of zeros is 40. This is given. Sum of square of zeros of quadratic polynomial, alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Done. So now again alpha square plus beta square, previous sum में हमने किया था, it can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta equal to 40. So now here we can use result number 1 and 2. Alpha plus beta 8, alpha plus beta it's 8 square from result 1 minus 2 into alpha beta from result 2, it is k, and it is equal to 40. So 8 square 64 minus 2k equal to 40. So taking this 40 on the left hand side minus 2k on the right hand side, so 64 minus 40 equal to 2k. 64 minus 40, 24 divided by 2 equal to k, and therefore we are getting value of k 24 by 2, 12. Clear students? So this is how you can find value of any unknown when relationship between zeros and coefficients of any quadratic polynomial is given. Clear students? So now pause this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you students.